Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here in Kowloon Park looking at the swan. Many kinds of swan or duck or wild dog or what it is called. I don't know. Let's see. Leisure flamingo. Scientific name Phoeniconisus minor. Distribution southern and eastern Africa, northwestern India. Okay, this kind of flamingo can be found in southern and eastern Africa and northwestern India too. Habitat where they prefer to live: alkaline and salt lakes, lagoons, and brackish coastal water. All right, this kind of leisure flamingo is here to see in Kowloon Park. Look at here. Look at it, people. So, what is next? I'm gonna show you next variety or kind of species here you can see. That's called a Koskoroba swan. Koskoroba. That's the scientific name. All right. The distribution: southern South America. It can be found in the southern South America, where it prefer to live: lakes and lagoons. Okay, it's a bird lake. Okay, and the Kowloon Park of Hong Kong. Okay, let's see by zooming it. All right, look at it. This is literally a flamingo. All right, flamingo. They have their own kingdom and way of life. They're enjoying. All right, pretty good. It's damn good. Look at it. It's all flamingo, I guess. Huh? Flamingo. Well, I can't see any other kind of swan where it is. So it's all the majority of living species here are flamingo, as I showed you before in the bigger picture. All right. From next angle, we're gonna go here to see flamingo and swan. Okay, here we can see the obvious one. This could be a swan. All right, swan. See, the physical pattern is different than flamingo. Flamingo is a lanky and sticky bone in his leg. Swan. This is swan, I guess. No. Alright, flamingo and swan. Okay, alright, so look at it. I'll zoom it. This is a swan, not flamingo, because flamingo, you can see there, flamingo has a pink feet, but swan has that's gray, and body also gray. Okay, feather also gray. Alright, so wow, this is a swan. Okay, as I had explained to you a while ago. Alright guys, flamingo and swan basically I'm showing here in the Kowloon Park. Sometimes I come to visit, for my once in a blue moon exercise. Not all the time. I'm a lazy bum basically, but sometimes I used to come for walk or jogging. So this is the place you can see in the Kowloon Park. Sometimes If you come in Hong Kong, if you are out of Hong Kong, if you are in Hong Kong, everybody knows where it is. Alright, so do visit if you prefer. Alright, so Flamingo Kingdom and Sean. Okay, this is the way it is. Alright, so anything much to do? I simply don't know. I catch the bird here. Come on, bird. It's a bird paradise actually. The park naturally a heaven of bird. That's it. This is from rear part. Okay, it's a rear part. That lake is surrounded by greenery trees. Okay. All right. Further behind, like this, it is completely, you know, in the nest of greenery. All right. That's it for now. Yeah. Yeah. Same place. I'm back. Yeah. Oh, I saw one more time. I'll show you one more time. All right. Look at. Nice and beautiful. Colorful, beautiful fishes in this lake. Look at. Look at. Flamingo and swans are far. The fishes also here. The colorful fishes are here. I think the flamingo and swan cannot eat that. Or they are here far from them, you know, to remain safe for their own life. Okay, but alright, I'll show you that. This one is here. This one is here, pretty damn, really moving without eating any fish. Without eating any fish means, I think those fish are not tasty, or not edible for them. It's not edible fish, I guess. I don't know, but some fish you can see. We can see in the market selling for eating, but not this kind. I don't know. I don't know too. All right, that's it for now, ladies and gentlemen. Beautiful phone here. All right.